Hi, welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts, and today a vendor has sent me a free product. This is a paid review. Let's get straight to it. This is a work light, a bright work light. Let's open the box and see what we got, shall we? So it's a 5000K is the color temperature, and it's a gray, and it is 110. The cool thing about this is you can hook up a bunch of them in series. I believe it says 20 of them in series. Let me look at the box here real quick. I believe it says right on the box. 15. Put 15 of these in series. So that's pretty cool. So let's look at the features here real quick. This is drop proof. Drop proof. You got a light here. You have panels that have different, they come out at a 45 or they come out at a 90. So you can bring them all out here. 45 or 90, 45 or 90, 45 or 90. So they can all be hanging straight down like that. Or if you need more light going out in the room, they can be out like that. That is pretty sweet, isn't it? And then you'll always have the light going down. I thought it was supposed to have a carabiner, but I guess it does not. What else? So this is where you hook up the wire on one side here. Just plug it in. And it is keyed. So you just make sure you put it right, slide it together. Slide it together here. And since it is a waterproof, you want to make sure you get it good and tight. If you're going to use it outside, especially. We're full-time RVers. I would imagine us hanging this from our awning outside, and maybe getting 2 or 3 of these in a row and hanging them from our outside awning. These would be great for that. So let's plug it in. So how bright is that? I mean, we've got lights on in this room. This thing is bright. This is a bright light. Can you imagine putting 15 in a string of these? But if you had a long garage and you wanted to put 15 of these in series along a long garage or a warehouse, or again along our awning outside, if I wanted to put 2 or 3s in a row, these would be great. Or and if you want to project a little bit more of that light downward and not in my eyes, there. Whew, thank you. And there you go. See, that's probably blanking out my camera. I don't even know what that's doing. But how bright is that? So we're gonna turn out the lights here and show you just how bright this is. There's no light. We are dark. And that is how bright this light is. Look at how bright that light is. That is a nice, bright work light. Go out and get one of these today. Go out and get 10 of these today and put them in your garage.